Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a password brute force attack. This exercise is from the Portswigger Academy, so no one is going to get harmed. And let's access the lab. This lab is vulnerable to username enumeration and password brute force attacks. It has an account with a predictable username and password, which can be found in the following word list. Here are the word list. Here is the dictionary for the username, and here is the dictionary for the passwords. Okay, so here is the website we have to attack. So let's go to this part of the website. Here we can see a login page. So we want to get the request with fake credentials. So let's type a random username and a random password. User name and password. Okay, so let's catch the request. Here is the request. Here's the username I type. Username $12 and password. Okay, so we want to send this request to the intruder, and we want to choose a sniper attack type, and then here we are going to clear all the parameters, and we want to add a new payload. So we need to add here these two characters. We'll type username. So now let's go to the payloads. Here we are going to paste all the usernames that the lab provides for us. So here they are. Let's type them all. Let's copy them all and paste them. So now we are ready to start the attack. So let's start it. Here we see that BruteForce is testing all the usernames. Carlos, root, admin. So let's see if we get a response that has a different length from the others. All the responses have 2984 length. Here we see that we get a different response. So let's see the response. Here we see that it says incorrect passwords, but in other responses it says invalid username. So here we see that the ACID username is taken by the server, but not the accounts. This means that ACID is a username because we get a different response from the server. So now that we know that ACID is a username, let's go to the proxy again. Let's close the attack. So now we know that ACID is the username, and now we'll test the password parameter. So we are going to do the same as before. Let's add these signs. That means payloads. That means the payloads we want to perform. Let's go again to this thing. Let's remove them all. Let's hear the payload options, and now we want to get the passwords list. So let's copy all the passwords and paste them here. Now we want to start a new attack, but in this case, instead of testing the usernames, let's test the passwords. We already know that the user acid is a user because we get a different response. So let's now try the passwords. So let's start the attack. Let's see if we get a different response, different length response, sorry. All of them are the same. My computer is very slow. I'm sorry. So here we see that we get a different response of length 170. And here it says found. And it log in the page. So let's try the password cluster and let's see what we get. So we know that the username is acid and the password is cluster. So let's go to let's close the intercept. Let's go to the login page and type acid and cluster. Let's try to log in. And now it says your username is acid. Your email is acid.net. So we solved the lab. Here you can see it. Congratulations, you solved the lab. So thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video and have a great day.